Hello, this is Pam from PamGriffithsCoaching.com. I'm thinking of you here on this beautiful sunny day and have been noticing so many of the conversations that I've been having lately with some of my clients and some of my friends and some of my potential clients who are feeling this sense of change in their life. And I believe it's because of the changes that have been happening around us with COVID and all of this time to be, for many, isolated, or something significant has happened in their business or in their career. And it's provided us with a lot of thinking time. And what I'm noticing is many people are still thinking about the very change that they knew they wanted to make a long time ago. And this interruption of time has helped them really start to see that, in fact, this is a change that they most want to make in their life. And yet there is still this idea of fear getting in the way and people just not making the change that they know they want to do. And I just want to say it's normal to experience this feeling of staying stagnant. And what I know to be true for myself and for most of my clients that I work with is that we need to be willing to take a step forward. We need to be willing and committed to our business and ourselves first. And when we can fully commit to taking that courageous step forward, amazing things can happen. And as long as we stay stuck and not make a move, even though we're unsure of what the result of that will be, we stay stagnant. And it can be so frustrating. And so I want to encourage you now. There's so many people feeling this right now that they know they need to make a change and they're really unsure of themselves, unsure of what will be possible for their lives. They're not sure of the outcome. And I want to encourage you today to go ahead and trust yourself enough that you know that you can make things happen. You know you can make an impact that's greater than the impact that you are currently having. And so I want to invite you to take one step forward today toward your goal. And if you could think about, if I don't make this change today, what will be different in a year from now? How much more frustrated will you feel by not honoring your values and your strengths? What could happen? What could be possible for your life if you were to take action today? One small step toward your goal. What could be possible in your life 1 year from now if you make that change today? One small step toward your goal. I want you to think about that today, because you're not alone. So many people's lives have shifted because of what's gone on. And I truly believe it's an opportunity to really awaken yourself and to own your values and goals. You know, paying attention to what's important and not to stay stuck in your life because of XYZ. Fill in the excuse. Well, I'm not sure if I'll be successful. I'm not sure if I'll make money. I'm not sure if people will like what I'm doing. Making the step, taking the step forward and trusting yourself enough to know that you can do anything you set your mind to. if you are committed to yourself and your goals and your business. So I want to leave you with that piece of inspiration today, and would love to hear what's on your mind and what are the things that have been percolating within you for a long time that you really feel like it's time for you to take a step forward. What's the one change that you want to make? It's up to you. The blessing and the curse of making changes, we can stay stuck or we can move forward and take action. And it is all up to you. Nobody can make the change for you. And so I want to leave you with this message today to just think about if you could take one small step today to move you forward toward your goals, what would that be? Leave some comments below. Would love to hear from you. Bye for now.